can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video, we'll take a look at the king of the market, Bitcoin. Bitcoin currently trades around $57,000. Bitcoin had a huge crash over the last 1 week. We have seen Bitcoin trade from as high as $72,000 on the 3rd of June 2023 to trading for as low as $53,000 on the 1st of July 2023. Bitcoin currently down around 25% from the all-time high. Are we entering a new bull market? Will Bitcoin rally towards $100,000 before the end of the year? Or has Bitcoin started a wonderful dump towards Goblin Town where we'll see it enter another bear market? We'll take a look at the Bitcoin US dollar price chart on a weekly time frame. Also look at total crypto market cap, which currently sits around $2 trillion. Take a look at Bitcoin dominance, and we'll also look at sentiment in the crypto market. Should we be bullish on Bitcoin in the nearest future, or should we get hyper bearish as probably, just probably, maybe Bitcoin's bull market is over? A quick history on Bitcoin, what Bitcoin has done over the last 3 years. Guys, we saw Bitcoin ending the 2021 bull market around the $69,000 level. Bitcoin got there in November 2021. What happened after that? We saw a Bitcoin bear market that took Bitcoin down around 77%. Bitcoin went from $69,000 to trading for as low as $15,000. There was a lot of chaos along the way. FTX collapsed. We had Lunar crash. Then we started another new bull market. We saw Bitcoin going from $15,000, rallying back up slowly but surely through all the chaos, through all the bank failure, through all the fraud. Bitcoin got back to as high as $73,000. But Bitcoin didn't do that out of the blue, guys. We had the Bitcoin spot ETF. We had so many rumors, so many buys along the way. But eventually, Bitcoin gave us a wonderful 370% pump. This is the smallest pump I've seen in Bitcoin after a major bear market. Hence the reason why a lot of market participants are expecting the bull market to continue. But guys, I'm here to tell you, I think the bear market has started. I think Bitcoin has stopped for this cycle. I think we're heading back to Goblin Town. Bitcoin had all the hype. We had BlackRock CEO coming on TV to shield our bags. But guys, think about it for a few seconds. Who was buying Bitcoin when we're trading at $15,000? And why is BlackRock shilling Bitcoin to the normies at the top? After Bitcoin spot ETF was launched somewhere in January, there was a general consensus in the market that it was buy the rumor, sell the news. But we got surprised by Bitcoin. Bitcoin continued pumping to higher values. Bitcoin went from $38,000, even getting to as high as $73,000. Almost 100% pump from that ETF dump. Right now, a lot of people are still expecting Bitcoin to continue pumping to higher prices. But guys, I'm here to tell you why I think Bitcoin is very bearish. After barely breaking into new all-time highs, Bitcoin has struggled around that all-time high price for over 119 days. Where Bitcoin is currently trading was where we were trading way back in February of 2023. So Bitcoin has spent the last 126 days just ranging from the $56,000 level to as high as the $70,000 level. And I believe that's the price region where the big players are selling. You have to ask yourself these fundamental questions, guys. Who was the person buying Bitcoin when we were trading around $15,000 to $20,000? I assume those were the smart players in the market. And right now, those smart players are letting go of their bags at higher prices. We might not see Bitcoin getting to $100,000 anytime soon, guys. We are currently not in a new all-time high in the total crypto market. Total crypto market has not seen a huge pump just like how Bitcoin have seen. We have seen Bitcoin rallying to higher prices. We have seen Bitcoin getting to new all-time highs. But a lot of coins in the market are not doing so. Even the total crypto market has not gotten that high. Total crypto market, which had a former all-time high around $3 trillion, could only get to as high as $2.7 trillion. So from that perspective, something is wrong in the market. Bitcoin has pumped while other altcoins not pumping. Bitcoin has been holding its own, but anytime we see Bitcoin falling in the market, a lot of altcoins are going down double digit. The last 1 week has been a prime example of what can happen when Bitcoin is showing weakness in the market, and that has affected the vibe in the crypto market. Right now, there's fear in the crypto market. Last month, there was extreme greed. Last month, there was calls for 100K. There was calls for new all-time highs. But as the days goes by, as Bitcoin don't pump, as everybody's expecting it to pump, we are seeing fear gradually come back to the crypto market, and we're seeing those early bear market vibe. Guys, take a look at Bitcoin simple moving average on a weekly time frame. This average tells us the average price Bitcoin has done over a long period of time. Now, over the course of 100 trading weeks, Bitcoin currently has averaged a price of $35,000. Over the course of 200 trading weeks, Bitcoin has averaged a price of $36,000. And I'll be shocked to see Bitcoin heading to those moving averages very, very soon. Things can move quickly in the crypto market. From where Bitcoin is currently trading, for us to head back to that $36,000 level, we just need to say 35 to 37% dump in the crypto market, and that can happen very, very quickly. If you take a look at the RSI right now for Bitcoin, yes, we're around the middle ground. We're not oversold, we're not overbought. We are just in that perfect place where anything can happen. We're in that perfect place where people's emotions are on the edge. A lot of liquidations have happened over the last 1 week. I believe we're going to see more liquidations happening. But guys, we have always been told to buy fear and sell greed. So if you're a short-term trader, if you believe that there's going to be a bounce, I believe so. There's going to be a little bounce, probably back to $65,000 level. So just be sure that we've cleared that region. But on the long-term frame, I'm not bullish on Bitcoin. On a longer time frame, I'm expecting us to go to Goblin Town. Yes, Bitcoin Spot ETF is live. We're going to see a lot of institutions buying Bitcoin. But guys, you have to ask yourself these perfect questions. Are these institutions buying this Bitcoin because they have ulterior motives? If they are buying this Bitcoin, that's the institutions. Who is going to buy their bags? You have to think about the game on a different level. You have to ask yourself, who are all the smart players buying at $15,000? And who are all the smart players that have been selling Bitcoin for the last 120 days that Bitcoin have not been able to pump to new all-time highs? Food for thought. If you take a look at total crypto market cap, we have not been able to rally to new all-time highs. If you take a look at the altcoin market, we have not been able to rally to new all-time highs. And Bitcoin dominance in the market, even though it's gradually increasing, the market doesn't look healthy. And when the market doesn't look healthy, expect chaos to ensue. And guys, we saw a lot of greed in the markets. If you did not see a lot of greed, if you're wondering why I'm bearish on Bitcoin, ask yourself this simple question. If you bought Bitcoin at $15,000, will you be bearish right now, or will you be hyper bullish? Yes, some OGs are still hyper bullish, but I think this time is different. I don't think this time is one of those bull markets where we see Bitcoin rallying 1,000%, 2,000%, 5,000%. I believe we need to see Bitcoin have another huge bear market before we can finally start seeing Bitcoin going to $100,000. I'm going to make a bold prediction right now, guys. I think we'll see Bitcoin trading around $10,000 before we see Bitcoin trading at $100,000. This might be a hot take. I might be wrong in future, but that's what I see in the charts right now. And the charts don't care about your feelings. But we might get a mini alt season before then. We might see Bitcoin even underperform against Ethereum and a lot of altcoins. If we see Bitcoin dominance dropping towards the 49 to 50% region, guys, this might spell trouble for Bitcoin in the short term. Drop your thoughts in the comment section. Where do you see Bitcoin heading to in the coming days and the coming weeks? Are you hyper bearish just like me? Do you think we're going to still go to $100,000 before the end of the year? I've had so many theories why Bitcoin might probably pump to $100,000. The 4-year cycle, the banana zone, the election cycle, guys. Forget all those random theories and all those stories and look at the chart. Ask yourself this simple question. Have we ever seen Bitcoin trade around this all-time high for 120 days without pumping to new highs? Another important question is, if Bitcoin is so bullish, why is it that we are finding so many sellers around that price? You have to ask yourself, are you smarter than all the smart players that have been selling for some sweet profit? Or maybe just maybe we are seeing more players buy before the next leg up. Nobody can be 100% right, but the market will tell us who is right eventually. But right now, Bitcoin is showing some early signs of a huge dump to Goblin Town. Drop your thoughts in the comment section. Tell me what you're doing in the coming days and the coming weeks and where you see Bitcoin going. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video and anytime I go live. Remember, guys, invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
All I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.